Hello everyone, welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm back at Potter Heigham. Now the thing with Potter Heigham is, this is simply end of navigation for me. There is no way the boat will go underneath that bridge at all. So the adventures usually end here. But what we're going to do, we're going to leave the boat behind this time. And we're going to head on foot down the right hand side of the river Thurne. We're going to keep on going till we get to Martham Broad. So if you want to walk with me a little while there, and we'll see where we go, see how we get on. Now, I've not been down this side of the Broads for probably 40 plus years. It's a long time ago, so I was obviously a young lad, and I can hardly remember it at all. So it's nice to see this with fresh eyes. Now, as I was walking along through this wooded area, this was really nice because it gave me some shade. Very hot day, quite uncomfortable. So as I was going along here, I spotted a little path to my left, and then I went down this path, and what greeted me really surprised me. I thought, yes, I've got a wild camp right here. Check it out. Oh yes. Look at that. Wowzers. It's been worth the effort. Morning guys, how are you doing? Had a really good sleep last night. Went to bed probably about 10:30, and then after probably half an hour I did drop off there. So I've had a really good night. I feel really refreshed. Quite noisy last night. There were jets streaming away through the sky there, so I don't know if the Russians had arrived. And the bird life was really noisy too, but to me that's like white noise. It's like a natural noise, so it doesn't bother me. It's different to if your neighbour's like got the TV blaring all night, you know, through the wall. So obviously because it's white noise, I slept through it, slept great. No one disturbed me at all. One chap came down that path there and he heard a birdie. He into his like bird watching. A really nice fella and really enthusiastic about, you know, what you're into. And he like told me, you know, what birds were flying around. There were barn owls and all sorts, and you know, quite educational, like really nice chap. And he left me in peace then and left. And obviously when you wild camp anywhere, you're always a little bit, you know, worried in case anyone's going to come down partying or boozing, because I found some like little bits of litter, you know, beer bottle tops and things like that. So I put that in my rubbish bag. I'll take them away as a little thank you for, you know, letting me sleep here. So yeah, so I'll be moving on shortly, heading down to Winterton Beach. Now I've been looking on Google Maps and there's like a little like church ruin on the way, so I'll just pop in there, see what that's all about before we get down to the beach, but it's on the way anyway. So yeah, that's the plan. So we'll be moseying on soon, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'll just drink the coffee and then I'll get packing up. I've kind of half packed already, as you can see behind me. But yeah, I'll get all that packed away and we'll get off quick before civilization wakes up properly. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video, which will be part 1 of 2. So part 2 is being edited at the minute, so it should be out soon. So if you could like the video, that'd be fantastic. And if you could kindly subscribe, that'd be amazing. So I'll see you very soon on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.